Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very simple and useful English word. The word is again. Let's start this exciting journey together. So, what does again mean? It's very simple. Again means one more time. When we do something more than once, we use the word again. It helps us talk about doing things repeatedly. Let's look at the basic definition. Again equals one more time. We use it to say we want to do or see something one more time. It's a word that helps us talk about repetition in our daily life. When do we use again? We use it to repeat an action. We use it to say something one more time. We also use it to show we are returning to a place or state. And we use it to ask for something to happen more than once. Now, let's learn how to say again correctly. Listen carefully. It sounds like again. Let me say it slowly for you. Again, now you try. Say it with me. Again. Again. Great job. There are some common phrases with again that we use every day. The first one is try again. The second is once again. The third is again and again. And the fourth is never again. These are very useful phrases. Let's see our first example. Try again. If you make a mistake, try again. This phrase encourages us to keep going and not give up. It's a positive and motivating phrase we use often. Our second example is once again. She said hello once again. This means she said hello one more time. We use this phrase when something happens another time. The third example is again and again. He reads the book again and again. This means he reads the same book many times. When we repeat something many times, we say again and again. Our fourth example is never again. I will never do that again. This means I will not do it one more time. We use this when we decide to stop doing something forever. Now it's time to practice. Let's try some sentences. Please say that blank. The answer is again. Can you try blank? The answer is again. I want to watch the movie blank. The answer is again. How did you do? Let's practice more. Which sentence is correct? I will call you again tomorrow, or I call you tomorrow again. The first sentence is correct. I will call you again tomorrow. Good job. Here's a real-life situation. Tom forgot his keys. He went back to the house again. See how we use again when someone returns to a place? It's very natural and easy. Another real-life situation. Anna fell down but she got up and tried again. This shows courage and determination. Again helps us express the idea of not giving up and trying one more time. Here's a fun fact. The word again has been in English for over 1,000 years. It comes from Old English. Isn't that amazing? This word has a very long history. Another fun fact. People use again more than 200 times a day when speaking. That's a lot. This shows how important and useful this word is in our daily conversations. One more fun fact. In many languages, the word again sounds different but means the same thing. In Spanish, it's otra vez. In French, it's encore. In Japanese, it's mata. Languages are so interesting. Let's summarize what we learned today. Again means one more time. We use it to talk about repeating actions. Common phrases help us use again better. And practice helps you remember. You did great today. Thank you so much for learning with Wordscience today. Keep practicing the word again in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the better you will become. You are doing an amazing job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Wordscience for more easy English lessons. We have many more words and topics to explore together. Join our learning community today. See you again soon. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep practicing your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.